You've tried a few toppers already. Now you feel that the hair loss has increased and probably you're not happy with the density of the toppers and you need more volume at the back as well. And you don't want to wear two separate extensions. Well, in such cases, what we can do is we can add an additional layer of extensions to the existing topper. Now, if you see what we've done is this was like a regular topper size, which is maybe around 5 by 6 inches. But what we've done is for one of our clients, he didn't want the hassle of wearing extensions at the back and wearing the toppers. She wanted more volume at the back, but she didn't want to wear two separate pieces. So what we did was, you can see this long beautiful toppers. We've of course permed them to make it look curly because her natural hair is curly. We usually suggest low density toppers, but these low density toppers usually don't have much volume at the back. But you can see, since we added this additional layer of hair at the back, this increases the size as well and gives you good amount of volume at the back. So you basically don't need to wear two separate pieces. You can just wear one. That's obviously a lot more convenient, and you also enjoy the low density on top, and at the same time you get the volume at the back. We can attach an additional layer of extension and get it stitched. Of course, this needs to be customized according to your size, but it's a great hack and it works beautifully for someone who's just looking for one piece, so it's a lot more convenient for them. Well, in this case, you just extended the back area, but we can definitely extend the sides as well, because what we advise is, if your hair loss area is bigger and if you want larger coverage, then it's not a good idea to get a very big size topper because it will not take the shape of the head. Rather, we can attach additional extension like a net around it, put hair like how we've done it over here, extend the size, so when you wear it, it's a lot more comfortable. It gives you larger coverage and you don't have that hassle of wearing different pieces. You can just wear it at one single piece. You're free to message on the number given below and we'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and just a small request, if you could just share the video with somebody who's losing their confidence because of hair, this video may add value to her life. So thank you so much.